Hello everyone, if Fortnite keeps crashing on your computer in the new Chapter 7 update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to stop Fortnite from crashing on the new Chapter 7 update on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write app data, you're going to go into local. Here you're going to find the folder called Epic Games Launcher. Here it is, open it up, go into saved, and here you'll have these folders with the name web cache. So just go ahead and delete all of these web cache folders. If they are opened on your computer, what you're going to do is just close up Epic Games Launcher if you have running, and then do this, and then it will delete those web cache folders. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Fortnite's directory. You're going to go into Fortnite game, binaries, 164, easy anti-cheat underscore KMU. You're going to open it up. You're going to right click on easy anti-cheat setup.exe. You're going to click run as administrator, click yes, and then install easy anti-cheat on your computer through this software. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Epic Games Launcher. You're going to go to your library. You're going to right click on your Fortnite. I'm going to use GTA as an example. Click manage, and then you're going to click verify files here. And after that, when you try to play Fortnite, you'll see that it will work correctly and you will not get those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.